Hello everyone, this is Arya Kadam, first year MBBS student at GMC Ambazogai. Every one of us find Animal Kingdom really difficult chapter cause there are so many examples to memorize. Many of the students follow tricks to memorize them and many do not follow any tricks. They just by heart them by saying it many times. I also didn't follow any of the trick, I just by hearted them. Through this video I am not going to share any of the trick, but I had categorized few things like few examples, and on which questions are framed like pick the odd one out or which of the following fits best in the given category. So here I had categorized few things which are asked in exam, like you will be given 5 to 10 random examples out of which only few of them will be correct. Let's take a question to understand it in a better way. Like you will be asked how many of the followings are exclusively marine. In textbook it is mentioned in different places, and you might find it difficult to memorize, so I had just noted them at one place so you could memorize them easily. So here I will just play few clips. You can note it down in your notebook. Hope you find it helpful.